Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about switch function in Power BI. So this is the signature of the switch function. The switch function, what generally it does, it evaluate an expression against a list of values and return one of multiple possible expression. So what it will going to do, whenever we are going to write the switch function, it will have some expression, and from that expression contains a list of value, and when the expression is going to execute, it will going to return only one values from a list. Let's discuss about the signature. This is the signature. Here this is the expression, this is the value 1, this is the result 1, and this is the else condition. So expression is any DAX expression. Here we can put any kind of a DAX expression that returns a singular scalar function evaluated multiple times. So here we can put any DAX expression that returns a single scalar function which evaluate multiple times. For example, so suppose this is a column AP calendar, AP month ID. This is the column. This is one of the expression. This is also is one kind of expression. If you want to give certain kind of a measure, we can also put a measure in the form of in place of the expression. Let's talk about this value and result one. List of values produced by the expression, each paired with a result to return for a rows case that match. So what it will going to do, this expression value, it will going to produce a paired result. How the paired result will look like this. This AP calendar, AP month ID, how it is paired? It is paired like 1 means January, 2 means February, like this. And this else condition, so when value return if the expression does not match any value or argument. So suppose the expression evaluated and it does not match any value which is returned by the expression, then the whatever the else we going to write here, that will return by this switch statement. So switch statement is a common pattern to replace a nested if condition. So suppose we are going to write a DAX query, and that DAX query has like a 10 if condition. So 10 if condition, it will become very cumbersome to write. It the code is also not going to be looks very good, and multiple if condition, then we need to just figure it out where which if condition starts when, and when if condition ends when, and the length of the code will become huge. So to make the code very simpler to understand, simple to write, we generally use switch statement instead of writing multiple nested if condition. This is the data model which we are going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. Let's see what we are doing here. Here we are creating a column. We are creating a column with the help of a switch statement. From where the value we are getting the value from, means this is the expression AP month ID. The value we are getting from month ID, and this is the value, and this is the result. If the value is 1, result will be first half. If the value is 2, result will first half. If the value is 9, result would be second half. If the value is 10, result would be second half. If the value is 11, result would be second half. So in this way we can write a switch statement. When this column gets created, see this month ID is 7, sorry, month ID is 9. That's why this column value is populated as a second half, because this is the 9 month 9 value, and what is the value and what is the result? the result is second half. That's why it is populating second half in this column. Let's do this exercise in Power BI. We are in the AP retail calendar. Let me create a column. Let me name this column AP retail month half. How we are going to populate this value? We are going to populate this value with the help of a switch statement. Which column it will going to take? It will going to take AP retail calendar month ID. If the value is 1, then result type is first half. Let me copy it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From 7, it would be second half. It will be second half. Let me copy it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and this is 12. And if the value is not matching, then what we are going to give? This. What we are just doing here, we are creating this column with the help of a switch statement. Whatever the value it is getting from this column ID, if it is values matching like 1, then the result would be first half. If value is 2, result would be first half. If the value is 11, the result would be second half. If the value is 12, result would be second half. If no value is present, then result would be underscore. Let me run it. We can see this month ID. Where is the month ID? Month ID is 7. Month ID is 7. Then the AP this is taking first half. Month ID is 7. Month ID is 7. That's why it's taking the value is second half. Here we can see it is populating the second half. Here it is populating first half. What is the month value? AP written month ID, that is 4. Here it is matching 4. That's why it is returning first half. We can see this is returning first half. First half. That's why with the help of a switch statement, we can take a value from a particular column or or expression, and if the value is matching, then we can return some other result like this. Let's go to the PPT. Now here we have created a matrix. In the matrix, here in this visualization, what we are just doing, we are just giving this AP ID and total cost. Okay, and in this year, what is the total sales in the first half and what is the total sales in the second half? Second half, it is populating here. So let's do this exercise on the Power BI. Let me put a matrix. In this matrix, first let me put this year ID. Year ID and then total sales. What is the where is the total sales? This is the total sales. The EP retail year ID, this is a matrix, then this we need to put here in row. Okay, and the column which we have created, this one, let me put here. If you just drill down, it would look like this. So in 2007, in the first half, total sales is this one. In the second half, total sales is this one. In 2018, first half total sales is this one, and in the second half total sales is this one. But from where this first half and the second half is coming, the first half and the second half value is coming this from this column, which we have created with the help of a switch function. Let's go to the PPT. So in this video, we have seen how can we create a column with the help of a switch function, how we can create a measure with the help of a switch function, and also the created measures or created column how we can use in the visualization. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.